So basically, I will some interact about my online training program. So basically, this is the totally 7 days online training program, and not only for the 7 days. After completing the total 7 days, when you face any problem regarding any issue on remote sensing, on Google Earth Engine, or any other problem, you can get the lifetime teaching support. So this is the unique for our online training program. Not only for the 7 days, after completing the total 7 days, when you face any problem regarding any issue in your code or any problem related to the GIS and remote sensing, you can get the lifetime teaching support. Okay. And in this online training program, I will focus on the beginners who don't have any knowledge about the coding, mainly Python or JavaScript or Google Earth Engine. If you have no knowledge about that, don't worry about that. I will try to complete all of those things from beginners to advanced level. And I hope after completing the total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any types of remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so first of all, I will try to explain our total full syllabus, mainly after completing the 7 days online training program, what you will learn. Okay, first of all, I try to discuss about the full course content, then move to the for first day's class. I will try to explain. So basically, this is the total 4 hours online training program. 3 hours I will deliver the live training, and 1 hour for the problem solving. Okay, so every class I will give you some assignment regarding this our class. So if you face any problem regarding this assignment, or you face any problem, then we also discuss about that 1 hour's problem solving class. Okay, so 3 hours I delivered the lecture live training, 1 hours for your problem solving. In the problem solving, you can easily share your own screen and then show me your problem, then we also discuss about that solution for your problem. Okay, so let's go and discuss, and I will give you all of things in the our Google Classroom. I hope all of you already join our Google Classroom. In this Google Classroom, you can easily find all of recorded class, as well also practice code, or all of material, mainly slide, or all of these things you can easily get from our Google Classroom. Okay, as well as you also get all of assignment. And when you fill up all of assignment, as well as join all of live training program, then you also get the certificate. After completing this all of assignment and live training program, you can easily get the e-certificate from us. Okay, so let's go and start with the session. And when you face any problem or any confusion or any doubt, you can ask me question anytime. Okay, so let's go. So let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, I can see.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's. So first of all, I try to explain about our full syllabus. So after completing the total 7 days online training program, what you will learn from me, all of things I will try to discuss about the course content. Okay. So basically, this is our website. From this website, you can easily get all of course content, all of upcoming update. Okay, so basically, this is our online training program. So in this online training program, you will learn all of those things from beginners to advanced level on Google Earth Engine. And if you have no knowledge about that coding, mainly Python or JavaScript, don't worry about that. I will complete all of those things from beginners to advanced level. So I hope you can easily learn all of those things, and then you can easily apply this type of programming knowledge for GIS and remote sensing analysis. So basically, this is the course content. Here you can see about that from the first day. I will already discuss about that introduction to Google Earth Engine. Then how we can easily create the Python and JavaScript for API for Earth Engine program. Okay, how we can easily install the Python and JavaScript programming to use the Earth Engine program. Then how to use the JavaScript and Python API. We also discuss about that. As a beginner, if you have no knowledge about the JavaScript or Python, so in this section I also try to add learn the basic principles of Python and JavaScript programming. We also discussed about that. And we'll talk about the client and server object. So basically, it's very important for client and server. when you want to work for the cloud-based platform. So that's why we also discuss about the client and server. Then how to get the server to execute our code, mainly using the Python or JavaScript, how we can get the server and then execute our code. We also discuss about that. And importing raster and vector data from local storage or Google Earth Engine dataset. We also discuss about that. And how we can easily filtering that good table. So this is our first day's syllabus. And second day, mainly I talk about that how we can easily filtering the different types of satellite images, Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, or other satellite imagery. There are a lot of satellite imagery is available in Google Earth Engine data catalog. So this type of satellite imagery, how we can easily filtering and displaying, also discuss about that. Then how we can easily create the different types of satellite composite, band combination, how to export this type of satellite imagery, Landsat, Sentinel, or MODIS. Then how to import, filter, reduce, clip, and display the raster data in Google Earth Engine. How to make the time series chart of NDVI or any other indices, NDWI, NDVI, SAVI, or any other indices. How we can easily create the time series chart using the ready-made dataset. We also discuss about that. Then how to export any shapefile from Google Earth Engine, as well as how we can easily create the annual image composite for Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, how we can easily create the annual image composite. We also discuss about that. And third day, mainly I discuss about that calculating any indices from satellite images using Landsat or Sentinel imagery. So how we can easily apply the different types of formula, suppose NDVI formula, EVI formula, or SAVI formula, and calculate the different types of raster analysis. We also discuss about that. Then filtering and displaying the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery and monitor the NDWI or NDVI. How to extract the water body using the thresholding technique. We also discuss about that. And how we can easily make the time series chart for NDVI, NDWI, or any other indices using the Landsat or Sentinel imagery. Then how to add the gradient legend and title on Google Earth Engine. We also discuss about the flood mapping, how we can easily extract the flood water using the Sentinel-1 SAR data, as well as we discuss about the monthly time series chart, how we can easily create the monthly time series chart for NDVI, NDWI, or any other indices, how we can easily create using the satellite imagery, how we can easily create the monthly temporal chart. We also discuss about that. Fourth day, mainly we try to discuss about that how to remove cloud and haze from our satellite imagery. So basically, when you want to work for that rainy season or work for that wet season imagery, you find out lot of cloud. So this type of cloud we can easily remove using Google Earth Engine and get the very neat and clean imagery. We also discuss about that. As well as we discuss about the DEM data, mainly digital elevation model data, how we can use and create the different types of terrain features such as hill shape map, slope map, aspect map. So this type of things we will really discuss. And we also talk about the land surface temperature, how we can easily monitor LST or land surface temperature using Landsat satellite imagery as well as also MODIS satellite imagery. We also talk about that how to calculate average, maximum, minimum pixel value. So in this case, I show the example for NDVI. But using this process, you can easily calculate for average, maximum, minimum pixel for any other indices. We also talk about that urban heat island, how we can easily create the urban heat island. We also discuss about that, as well as also talk about that urban field thermal field variance index UFTVI. We also discuss about that, and how to make LST time series chart using Landsat imagery. We also discuss about that. And fifth day, mainly we talk about the air quality monitoring. So different types of air quality parameters, how we can easily monitor, such as sulfur dioxide or carbon monoxide or formaldehyde or aerosol or PM 2.5 or aerosol optical depth. So this type of things, how we can easily work using the Google Earth Engine and also ArcMap software. So if you want, you can also use the QGIS software. So basically ArcMap is that commercial software. So that's why we are also use the free or open source QGIS software. It also we can also do it for creating the map, mainly map layout. After downloading the data, we can easily create the map layout using ArcMap software or QGIS software. We also do it. And we also talk about the accuracy assessment, how after creating the any kinds of air quality parameter map, we also need to check about the accuracy. For the accuracy, we can easily use the different types of model. Further to discuss about that. And mainly 6th number day, we talk about that machine learning, how we can easily apply the different types of machine learning for supervised, unsupervised, okay, and create the different types of land use, land cover map, probe classification map, okay, how we can apply the unsupervised classification or supervised classification, mainly random forest or classification region trees, support vector machine, minimum distance, and how to check the land use, land cover assessment map using the kappa accuracy or producer accuracy, consumer accuracy, overall accuracy. So all of details which I will explain one by one. And calculate the land use, land cover classes area, how to add the gradient lesion in LULC map, and finally how we can easily export the land use, land cover map for our research paper using ArcMap or Geoscience software, how we can easily create the map layout for our research paper or presentation. We also discuss about that. And mainly 7th day, we talk about that land use, land cover change detection, how we can easily apply the change detection. It can be land use, land cover change detection or NDVI change detection or vegetation change detection. So different types of change detection we try to explain. And how we can easily make the NDVI classification, we also discuss about that. And extract the dense vegetation using the thresholding technique, we also discuss about that. And class-wise land use, land cover change detection in one layer using Google Earth Engine. And we talk about that, calculate the transition land use, land cover area. We also talk about the urban development and urban growth monitoring, how we can using the Google Earth Engine. And we also talk about that hyperparameter tunning for improving the accuracy of your machine learning model. So basically this is a full syllabus, okay, for we try to cover within 7 days, and each day I will provide you the 3 hours live training and 1 hour for your problem solving, because each class I also give you some assignment regarding this topic. So you also try to do this type of assignment, and if you face any problem, do this type of assignment, you can get the support for the 1 hour problem solving class. And when you complete all of live training program, and you can get the course certificate after submitting all of assignment, you can get the all of material, mainly slide or PDF book reference, all of practice code you can easily get. And if you miss any live training program, you can easily cover using the recorded class. And you also get the lifetime teaching support, okay, not only for the 7 days. After completing the total 7 days online training program, when you face any problem, then you can simply knock me before 1 day, then take your scheduled time and then join for lifetime, okay. So this is our full syllabus. I will try to explain about that. And when you get this certificate, then you can easily get your certificate from our website. You can easily download it from here. After, you can easily verify from your certificate and also download from here, okay. Okay, so let's go try to start for our today's class. Okay, let me open my slide.